So many cases of mistaken identity, false information perpetrated by society. Why all the youths coming out of the ghetto try to make a living, you put them on go slow. Now you issuing guns to the big every man, seeking for protection. You give some justice to the poor and the rich man wouldn't need a weapon. No, and then you try to deny when the innocent die, victim of your same gun. And then you turn around, put the blame on the liquid man. But live up if your heart clean, nobody mess it up. Give your heart to your kingdom, live up if your heart clean, nobody mess it up. Better you use up your wisdom, live up if your heart clean, show them the works of us. Yeah. One man countenance brighten another, iron sharpen it iron. So don't you ever be afraid to deliver. Right is mightier than wrong. Cause in the time of the mark of the beast, when the whole of them a drink and feast, you may not even find some place to sleep, but your reward is in Zion. Your soldier will keep if your heart clean, nobody mess it up. Render your heart to your kingdom, live up if your heart clean, nobody mess it up. Better you use up your wisdom, live up if your heart clean, show them the works of me, cause it's been a long time we are fight and a fuss, so much deception and so much mistrust. A long time we are fight and a fuss, now is the time to live up if your heart clean, nobody mess it up. Give your heart to your kingdom, live up if your heart clean, nobody mess it up. Better you use up your wisdom. Oh, listen, listen, people, listen. I'm gonna sing you a song, yes. So listen, oh, listen, people, listen. I am going to sing you a song about a man who lived good, but never lived too long. Bob Marley, why-yo, Bob Marley, why-yo. He never teach us anything that's wrong. He always teach us to be deep and strong. Although he has passed and gone, his music still lives on. Bob Marley, why-yo, Bob Marley, why-yo. Jamaica ambassador, he sing for the rich and the poor. Jah know we all adore Bob Marley. He passed and gone, gone. His music lives on. Oh yeah, his music lives on. Whoa, whoa. Some people say that he was just a Rasta man. He left his message both at home and foreign land. In reggae music everyone can understand. He lift up the pride of every black man. Bob Marley, why-yo, Bob Marley, why-yo, whoa, whoa, yeah. Ooh, yeah. Wow, wow, whoa, yeah. Ooh, yeah.
My brother, don't fall. Will never be my glory. My sister, don't fall. Will never make me happy. No matter what race or color they may be, we are one blood. Let's live up in unity, unity. It's nice if we see another ghetto youth rise. Them can't stop the element of surprise. Glory and blessing coming at that disguise. Right in front of them eyes. Go, me know them wicked and them just can't tame. Couldn't stop us come next our highway. Perfect a turbulence, likewise the same. Chaplin Fantan, so him always maintain a joy and love, and that me contain. You want stop me now, you must be sick in your brain. My brother, don't fall, will never be my glory. My sister, don't fall, will never make me happy. No matter what color or race them in a fire child. So check the file. Look for me happy now me at it can't spoil. Hey, hey. No, 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 no. My brother don't fall. That never be my glory. My sister don't fall.
That one on you will see them for the longest time. Oh, and a fireman I give them for the longest time. Why? And we no want beat them for the longest time. Why? They want to go and no feed them for the longest time. Why? Alright then, so me see them from afar. See that they're perpetrating war, yeah. So them fighting over star. Thanks enough for them a blur, whoa. Then the youth them coming from far. Them don't even know who we are, yeah. Me no want to see no blood on the tar. Soldier like the SLR, let out Jack from behind the bar. We see them for the longest time. Why? Well a fireman I'll give them for the longest time. Why? And we no want beat them for the longest time. Why? Them want to go and no feed them for the longest time. Whoa, now and then I've been seeing them for a while. See they trying to destroy the sign. Whoa. I've been seeing them for a minute, but tell me corruption right I know we not going in it. Whoa. And I've seen them for a second, and righteousness none of them no bacon. Whoa. Well David does not dip on where them dip on. Well I fire them in set one and say again. Boom. We see them for the longest time. Why? When a fireman I kill them for the longest time. Why? And we no want beat them for the longest time. Yo, them want take away and no feed them for the longest time. Whoa, we got judgment. Get a youth a seat and take it for no fun. Don't even check if my children are dumb. Blaze the fire, make it burn. Consuming it. See the wicked out them going down. Alright again. Don't even have to see them too much spectrum. Ha! Where you get it from, you say you never take none. Blaze up the fire, make it burn. Now say corruption and Sodom. Burn it down! Hey! Now me say me see them for the longest time. Why? And a fireman I give them for the longest time. Why?
Leave, burn them jack. Free my people from the shackles. Let them go. King Pharaoh. Free my people from the shackles. King Pharaoh. Let them go. Bust the chain and the bangles for them have the people here. My people hate no Peter. Them always be the winner. Treat the poor, them mankind, them want to stop them dinner. From the Haitian satyrs, we are the beginner. Fantan Mojah with the fire, company burn them dirty behavior. King sreggae⁰ae, me savior, burn them hearse and burn them graveyard. Can't trick the youth, them in a time, your time and age. Take a page out of sreggae⁰ae book. Free my people from the shackles. King Pharaoh. Let them go. Free my people from the shackles. King Pharaoh. Let them go. When the attack clock bust, Babylon I get the force. Them and them Illuminati plan, everything does get the rope. Send me happy burn them out, them too conniving and corrupt. Rasta buns skull and bone, them ching blood like syrup. Vatican City have to go down. Down around get boom down. Mussolini and him friend them is nowhere to be found. Free my people, Pharaoh. Free my people, Pharaoh. Free my people from the shackles.
Stay alive.
Let them go.
Ulterior motive. Hear me now. Make sure sure everything you do is good so it don't come to haunt you one day. But one day, never your dear burn your bridges, cause you might never know when you will go the wrong way. The wrong way. Even though you might have things I am the boss, member respect no go one way. But one way, and every man have to do them thing on earth. Today's gonna be your long day. Hey, 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 hey. Everything you see serve a purpose. Life is not a game, it's not a circus. Not because you have your bag of money in a surplus. You're acting like you remember where you get your first cut. Remember, send a man on an island. Everybody need a shoulder for cry upon. Me never yet seen a fish a swim on a dry land. So me no more than you no more than I, man. Obstacles dead and still. We have to get around with little tactics and skill. Me know it kinda good when you can kick back and chill, but it dangerous just like a bullet we can kill. Confidence and not nothing no man build. Stay there go and chat and you can labber until hey, can't say me no warn you. Never you dare try do nothing harm you. Make sure everything you do is good so it don't come to haunt you one day. But one day, never you dare burn your bridges. You might never know when you will go the wrong way. The wrong way. Even though you tell yourself say I'm the boss, member respect no go one way. And one way. Every man have them things to do on earth. Today's gonna be your long day. Eh, 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 eh. You have to stop or you have to check. Remember set for monitor the move them where you make. Remember set the ground can get slippery when wet. And if you move fast you will slip and pop your neck. And then again from the Almighty you protect. Therefore nobody can get what you forget. And in a life never you do nothing for regret. Cause anything will happen you I saw the thing set. I'm telling you. As we venture in another day, make sure you do good and put the bad away. When me do me thing, me do it one away. Cause me no see no other way. As we venture in another day, make sure you do good and put the bad away. When me do me thing, it one away. Me no see no other way. Make sure everything you do is good so it don't come to haunt you one day. But one day, never you dare burn your bridges. You might never know when you will go the wrong way. The wrong way. Even though you tell yourself say I'm the boss, member respect no go one way. But one way. And every man have to do them thing on earth. Today's gonna be your long day. Hey, 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 hey. You can't survive, if you want to stay alive. Ulterior motive. You can't survive if you want to stay alive. Ulterior motive.
Understand? Tell you now. Hot stepper is passing and watch the hypocrites running. Me come to heal up me article brethren and all me article system. You got to be article. Don't be artificial, you got to be article. To survive in this time, you got to be article. Don't be artificial, you got to be article. To survive in this time, life is a ladder that we climbing. And today you hop and you're a big thing, and tomorrow you're down and I say nothing. And so you are gonna know all your brethren. Hot stepper is passing and watch the hypocrites running. Me come you look me article brethren and all me article system. You got to be article. Don't be artificial, you got to be article. I'm an article man. My cake is in the oven baking. Then I'm saving a slice for my brethren. Then another slice for my sister. And I love to see the girls them gathering. And I don't like no backbiting. And I don't like no evil doing. Now the hot stepper is passing. And watch the hypocrites running. Me come heal up me article brethren. And all me article system. You got to be article. Don't be artificial, you got to be article. To survive in this time, you got to be article.
I just wanna be like those I want to sit up in the highest. I know my faith will keep me strong. I won't settle for less. Just wanna be like those Rastaman. I want to sit up in the highest. I'll keep my faith, don't care how long. I enjoy the test. When traveling from country to country, making a physical trial, meeting and greeting people, some good, some bad. Have you ever stepped aside and observed how some people are some nerve, fighting against the pure in heart? I won't take part, just wanna be like those Rastaman. I want to sit up in the highest. I know my faith will keep me strong. I won't settle for less, just wanna be like those Rastaman. I want to sit up in the highest. I'll keep my faith, don't care how long. I enjoy the test. Remember in the days of Noah, Jah bless us. Yes, world corruption is very prevalent. Why, yes, world corruption is an international event. World corruption, tell me when it will really end. World corruption is only judge I recommend. Here comes Mr. Corruption, coming with his evil intention and his wicked invention. They want to corrupt the motherland. They poison the earth. Animals and plants face destruction, yes. But keep the faith and hold on strong. Every dope stick on its own matter. World corruption is very prevalent. Why, yes, world corruption is an international event. World corruption, tell me when it will really end. World corruption is only judge I recommend. Every day you hear bombs exploding in the street. People are dying while the little children are the victims. Oh Lord, we pray to you for your blessing. Still we never close our eyes, we pray. We're looking out to see a brighter day. Why don't you think about a better tomorrow? Put away the war, it's causing too much sorrow. World corruption is very prevalent. Why, yes, world corruption is an international event. World corruption, tell me when it will really end. World corruption is only judge I recommend. Stop promoting corruption. Follow the footsteps of all the judgment.
Gonna give you more. Said I know that the time will come when all evil man got to run. Why did you shoot your brother down and leave him lying on the ground? Put down your weapon, your weapon of destruction.
Really?
Put down your weapon of destruction.
A long time we demand them and they never want to listen. Can't this the man but get the blessing. And a long time we demand them and they never want you. This big man you disappear. Babylon them get fed. Can't trick when I'm more with them motorcade. Them promote that and them not stop it. Politics and religion they get way enslaved. Long time them have we all a rage and curve. And the heathen them not stop from rage. Emperor Selassie all the praise. Long time we go on them and they never want to listen. Yeah, this the man we get the lesson. Well, a long time we go on them and they never want to hear. This Bolo you disappear.
Put down your weapon of destruction. Youth man, put down your weapon.
Put it down.
Weapon of destruction.
Put it down.
Yeah. Said I know that the time will come when all evil man got to run.
Run upon
Why
down.
did you shoot your brother down and leave him lying on the ground? Put down your weapon.
Put it down.
Your weapon of destruction.
forget scared. That's why judges show they get to you them this way. Rastaman, self-reliance that mean we self-made. So when we say we Babylon wouldn't hurt, we judgment them come and them raise a blade. Judgment them food stamp and them first aid. Judgment them mark and judgment them curve. Who want the anger? Who want the blood? Empire Selassie, I'm a praise. Long time we demand them and they never want to listen. Can't this the man we get the blessing. And a long time we demand them, they never want you. This ball I see this happen.
Natty boy said I know that the time will come. All Babylon man got to run now. Why did you shoot the youth man down and leave him lying on the ground? Put down your weapon of destruction. Put down your weapon. Sure. If you stabilize yourself and balance yourself up, man, and stop like an idiot around you, man. A turbulence the future, giving the thanks all away. Well, my life is good to give thanks, and I cannot complain, me I feel the higher rank. Turbulence, no one no brings nor no bank, but me I feel give thanks, cause water in my tank. I feel satisful, catch me no blank. Babylon now beat me with blank. I forget my food, no gun me nah crack. Yo from your proud and the bus too scam, cause my life is not cursed, and I'm not the worst. So I have to give thanks and praise always. I need Selassie I the first, move forward no reverse. And I have to give thanks and praise always, cause God's been good to me, and He set me free. What more could I ask for? What more could I need? Hey, you got my kids and my woman, so tell me where some pagan a do man. I brought your brother around. Could I want that you a said the jumbo ras? No really trust them more than for a second, cause my life is not cursed, and I'm not the worst. So I have to give thanks and praise always. Selassie I the first, move forward no regrets. So I have to give thanks and praise always. So I have to hail the King, King of Israel, oh Jah, Sata Amasagana, Rastafari. My life is good. Give thanks for all that you have done for I and I throughout the years. Oh, cause my life is not cursed, and I'm not the worst. So I have to give thanks and praise always. My life is not the worst, and now I'm not cursed. Turbulence to future again. What you prefer? And none of them could have never stop Rastafari children from good shoot. Rasta now beg no friend, cause my fire burn the whole of them. Just mercy. Rastafari, you will survive. You are your medal. Just good shoot. No division. Rastafari denounce religion. Now about the money in our position. That's my decision. I had burn them superstition, cause we here to complete a mission. So me say fi let it go, make it rain. I said the fire, they make it burn. Yo, me say let it go, make it rain. Oh man, there's something where you got to bring it up. We have to burn. And no matter what them try, them can't stop Rasta children from good shoot. Hey, we not beg no friend jumbo fire on the whole of them first. And no matter what them try, them can't stop Rasta children from good shoot. Shoot, yeah. In all this perilous time, this rebellious time, stay away from them war and the crime. Don't go join the devil line, don't go drink the devil wine. From the AK and the Tech 9. We can't do without ya. That's why we always have to show ya. Hail and promote ya. Rasta trust in ya, will never doubt ya. East, west, north and the south, we have to pray. And no matter where them try, them can't stop Bingy children from go shoot. Rasta now beg no friend, Rasta fire on the whole of them first. And no matter where them try, them can't stop Rasta children from go shoot. Yeah. Oh, celebrate, celebrate, cause our life is so great. Never follow, we never partake. In the Gyptian we keep the faith. No matter what them say, we up for bust through the gate again. One bombs out the food out on my plate, but we don't reach already, so Babylon you late. And no matter what them say, them can't stop being the children from good. Rasta now bet no friend, yo, we fire on the wall of them first. And no matter what them say, them can't stop African children from good. Now the vision, Rastafari denounce religion. Now both free money, now position. That's my decision. Me no believe in superstition. I am here to complete your mission. So me say let it go, make it run. Yo, see the fire, they make it burn. Yo, me say let it go, make it run. Woman and they sit no way, you got to bring it on, because we have it burn. And no matter what them say, them can't stop Rasta children.
Tell me, how I and I feel survive when you make it hard again? How the youth them figure school when you spend? How the crime rate figure down when you import the gun them? And street life hard, my friend, yeah. Blood sucking vampires, yo, it's all about them. All when the youths are ball for food, them careless, my friend. Separation to a nation, generation X, my friend. Now why you not gonna end? Hey, cause it's unfair to we. You say that you love and say you care for we. A false promises you come to preach to we. Cause all I can see is poverty, slavery guaranteed. It's unfair to we. You say that you love and say you care for we. A false promises you come to preach to we. Cause all I can see is poverty, slavery guaranteed.
Them no know how we youths go to school now, college facing collateral damage. Them no know how we find the oats put in the pot and boil little porridge. Them no know how we hustle hard, forget the little gungo plus the little cabbage. Them no know how we manage. Them no know say that's why. Them no know say when we are hustle hard in the street, if we carry on do a can't still a beat. Them no know say more time when we are run about chicken bad in a beat. Them no know about cassava, the quarter, the half a bird. Them no care if we son or we daughter. They're the mark and everything. Sinkers right now, poor people are the best.
It's unfair to we. You say that you love and say you care for we. A false promises you come to preach to we. All I can see is poverty, slavery guaranteed. It's unfair to we. You say that you love and say you care for we. A false promises you come to preach to we. Cause all I can slavery guaranteed. But still them non-stop we shine a China unemployment line. We all go hustle non-stop because we're born in a the struggle. Watch them, I try figure we out. How them not get we out.
Yo, the big guys put tax on tax, but that not okay. Then them relax like that is okay. Them even tax a box, a cigarette tax box. Poor people left them in a debt. Them no care which part the youth sleep. Them no care where poor people find food to eat. Cause if a pan for them property, we are good with them jail, we are kick, we are street. Alright then, it easier to get robbed than get a job. Easy to grab a bag than turn your one a doorknob, yeah. So when the youths them lay down on the sidewalk, I know them at the system a skylark.
Yo, it's unfair to we. You say that you love and say you care for we. A false promises you come to preach to we. Cause all I can see is poverty, slavery guaranteed. It's unfair to we. You say that you love and say you care for we. A false promises you come to preach to we. Cause all I can see.
I would have
and I go do that, you a do that, and no you that, and no true that, me no believe in that. Damn, that no funny. Who that and I go do that, you a do that, and no you that, and no true that, me no believe in that. Damn, that no funny. Youths of today, they are using their head back way. Easily influenced to other things they say. True, they don't have no direction. They turn to the guns. And as them turn to the gun, a mother ban a belly and ban out to war. I who that and I go do that, you a do that, and no you that, and no true that, me no believe in that. And that no funny. Who that and I go do that, you a do that, and no you that, and no true that, me no believe in that. And that no funny. Damn, that no funny. Damn, that no funny. Them say nothing nah go on out the road, it not pretty. Nothing nah go on in the streets, things sticky. Anywhere they sitting, that they set them a coffee. Seems like the mental disease for the success plaguing the people, them brain like an obsess. Things like these at times cause civil unrest. I who that and I go do that, you a do that, and no you that, and no true that, and I believe in that. Damn, that no funny. Who that and I go do that, you a do that, and no you that, and no true that, and I believe in that. Damn, that no funny. Damn, that no funny. Damn, that no funny. And stop destroying the universe, killing all the future, misleading the children, and separate each other. Stop showing the youth some lewd movies. You're mixing up their brain. What's about the future? Are you just playing a game? Who that's in a go do that, you a do that, and no you that, and no true that, and I believe in that. Damn, that's no funny. Who that's in a go do that, you a do that, and no you that, and no true that, and I believe in that. Damn, that's no funny. Damn, that's no funny. Damn, that's no funny. Damn, that's no funny. I who that and I go do that, you a do that, and no you that, and no true that, and I believe in that.
Oh, one come treat I rejectedly, but I man too culturally. Them no one type on MTV. Lord, them things said them done with me. This a rude boy a shuffling. Rude boys can't kill the reggae. Back up with your muffling. Rude boys can't kill the reggae. A rude boys can't kill. Rude boys can't kill the reggae. Them won't come stress me now.
Youths work harder, even if you a sell marijuana, because of life we a deal with on ya. We can't afford the Babylon come shoot we down on them road. No. Mommy grew up perfect on soldier, not no clown, no.
So this a rude boy a shuffling. Rude boys can't kill the reggae. Back up with your muffling. Rude boys can't kill the reggae. Rude boys can't kill now. Rude boys can't kill the reggae. Lord, them can't come stress me. Them not come stress me. Cause this a rude boy a shuffling now. Rude boys can't kill the reggae. You better back up with your muffin. Cause them can't come stress me. Them can't come stress me now.
The sticks Sticks and stones will break my bone. Live in a glass house, can't foolish feature stone. I say, me show me card, me never call them fool. Some sell them soul for rubies, diamonds and gold. Oh yeah, this I know, oh oh. Teeth and tongue will tell everything they know. Oh yeah, I saw it go, long time ago. Granny say you reap what you sow. Oh,
this
yeah.
a rude boy you shuffling. Got rude boys can't kill the reggae. Back up with your muffling. Got rude boys can't kill the reggae. A rude boys can't kill. Got rude boys can't kill the reggae. One cup treat I rejectedly.
From the top, you know, see the government them out to start on the crops because the price are shocking. Use them ready to attack. Cause I live in no more use them can't bother with that. Oh gosh, you know, see man not dead the road. You jealous and you mark them overload. You know, see man not dead the road. No, you jealous and you mark them well overload. You know, see man not dead the road. You jealous and you mark them overload. You know system on a dead road. No, you jealous and you mark them well overload. Tell you the reason why so much man a die. Money start to make and people start to get rid of. Corruption and bad mind, envious all the time. Just see your son knows all in front his eyes. Oh, he that dwelling only vanity and no love for humanity shall fade away. Juna Biles don't say. Oh, you know system and not dead, you know. You jealous and you mark them overload. You know system and not dead road. No, you jealous and you mark them well overload. You know system and not dead road. You jealous and you mark them overload. You know see Savannah, you know see Savannah, yeah, that road. Say pull it up now and make we reason from the top. You know see the government them out to start on the crops because the price are shocking. Use them ready to attack. Cause I live in no more use them can't bother with that. Oh gosh, you know see Savannah, that road. You jealous and you mark them overload. You know system and a dead road. No, you jealous and you mark them well overload. You know system and a dead road. You jealous and you mark them overload. You know system and a dead road. No, you jealous and you mark them well overload. Tell you the reason why so much man a die. Money start to make and people start to get rid of. Corruption and bad mind, envious all the time. Just see your son knows all in front his eyes. Oh, he that dwelling only vanity and no love for humanity shall fade away. Juna Biles don't say. Oh, you know system and not dead, you know. You jealous and you mark them overload. You know system and a dead road. Now you jealous and you mark them well overload. You know system and a dead road. You jealous and you mark them overload. You know system and a, you know system and a, yeah, that road. Yeah, you know system and a dead road. You jealous and you mark them overload.
The youths them a go and defeat at the pearly gate. For a better life them a negotiate. Too much promises, how long them a wait. We coulda crashed the party when them a celebrate. Them a wine and a dine and them stay. Cause one left so crumbs in a ghetto youth plate. For the righteousness the ghetto youth a penetrate. A full time they live we a break. Rasta no friend vampire, mistake vampire, rubber tire. Watch it make me bun vampire, no rape vampire. Me beg vampire, rubber tire. Watch it make me slave vampire, me no rape vampire. Me slave vampire, rubber tire. Watch it make me slew vampire, me no rape vampire. me beg vampire. Don't them the man. Hey politician, if you want the crime rate fi drop, just put some food in at the youths them pot and get rid of the corrupted cop. Me high ganja to the fullest and get rid of them crack. We don't want no war like Iran and Iraq. Too much mass destruction, full time that fi stop. Me hear King Selassie and go to the buff rock and tell the heathens and them flap. Boom, Rasta no friend vampire, me slave vampire, rubber tire. Watch it make me bun vampire, no rape vampire, me beg vampire, rubber tire. Watch it make me slave vampire, me no rape vampire, me slave vampire, rubber tire. Watch it make me slew vampire, me no rape vampire, me beg vampire. Don't them the man. Boom, get trapped for the youth. Babylon no man hear him say, yeah.
When you round, you round, you round, and when you right, you right, you right. When you round, you round, you round, and when you right, you right, you right. You vex with your sister, you don't want I to talk to her, no. You vex with your brother, you don't want I to talk to him, no. Don't vex with your sister without a cause. Don't vex with your brother without a cause. And when you run, you roll, and when you right, you right. When you run, you roll, when you right, you right. Blessed is the man that walketh not in the counsel of the ungodly, nor standeth in the way of sinner, nor sitteth in the seat of the scornful. When you round, you round, you round, and when you right, you right, you right. When you round, you round, you round, and when you right, you right, you right. A foolish son will never listen and admit when he's wrong. A wise son pays attention to when his father correcting, yes. He who hide the wrong he did does the wrong thing still. Wrong could never be right, no. So you better pay the price. When you round, you round, you round, and when you right, you right, you right. When you round, you round, you round, and when you right, you right, you right. You vex with your sister, you don't want I to talk to her, no. You vex with your brother, you don't want I to talk to him, no. Don't vex with your sister without a cause. Don't vex with your brother without a cause. And when you run, you roll, and when you right, you right. Don't you know you are my brethren? Now you gonna make our brethren pay. Two wrong can't make a right, no. Two wrong can't make a right. Two wrong can't make a right, no. So you better change your style. When you round, you round, you round, and when you right, you right, you right. When you round, you round, you round, and when you right, you right, you right. Them a run come, I see them a come, a come. Them a run come, one piece of the blender. Do anything to be a fun club member. Everyone is now willing and able to play a blend upon them turntable. Them a run come, one piece of the blender. Do anything to be a fan club member. Everyone is now willing and able to play a blend upon them turntable. So long blender a ram dance all. Promoter never pay me no money at all. Walk from give me bit to Lionel Town, trying to reach home before I drop down. And I have my family to face, cause I know there's no food in the place. I was away all night, but I knew everything would be right. Now them a run come one piece of the blender. Do anything to be a fan club member. Now everyone is willing and able to spin a blender on them turntable. Them a run come one piece of the blender. Do anything to be a fan club member. Everyone is now willing and able to spin a blender on them turntable. Back in the days they used to call me Boobaloo. Shirt the tear and me never have no shoe. I pray to Jah for a brighter view. Anja link me with the Star Trail crew. Them a run come one piece of the blender. Do to be a fan club member. Now everyone is willing and able to spin a blend upon them turntable. They ma run, come one piece of the blender. Do anything to be a fan club member. Everyone is now willing and able to spin a blend upon them turntable. Me never used to have bad mind, and me never take no part in crime. I only try to sing my best. Thank you, Jah, you've done the rest. Now the time has changed, and me never rearrange. I've got to keep my humility while Jah bless my ability. They ma run, come one piece of the blender. Do anything to be a fan club member. Now everyone is willing and able to spin a blend upon them turntable. They ma run, come one piece of the blender. Do anything to be a fan club member. Everyone is now willing and able to spin a blend upon them turntable. So long blender around dancehall, and promoter never pay me at all. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Now blow your nose and not your mind. I know that you are not blind, so please make up your mind. Mankind, if a man do wrong, and you do it too, Judge is gonna beat you for true. There's an unseen eye watching you. Any little thing that you do, you and you and you. Why I, so blow your nose and not your mind. Cause we are living in a tedious time. Jaja is turning back the hands of time. Mankind, righteous man, Jaja want in the sky. Yet a righteous man is so hard to find. So I wonder, who's gonna stop the war and crime? Whoa, there are some people can't do things on their own. Yes, they have to wait till mom and dad come home. Yes, you got to learn, then you will earn. Why, so blow your nose and not your mind. I know that you are not blind, so please make up your mind. Mankind, God of mercy. So blow your nose and not your mind. I know that you are not blind, so please make up your mind. Mankind, if a man do wrong and you do it too, Judge is gonna beat you for true. There's an unseen eye watching you. Any little thing that you do, you and you and you. Why, so blow your nose and not your mind. I know that you are not blind, so please make up your mind. Mankind, make up your mind. Make up your mind. Make up your mind. I know you're not blind. If a man do wrong and you do it too, Judge is gonna beat you for true. There's an unseen man watching.
I sing cold-blooded murderer. Tell me where uno require. When I hear me, cold-blooded murderer shouldn't kill the innocent soldier. I tell them, I say weeping and moaning, I say everybody said. Flames with them and them innocent blood them shed. No matter how them play and no matter how them beg. Full them up a copper XYZ lead. Who killed the innocent man I got head. No matter how them play and no matter how them beg. Mama pan a belly put a run pan a red. All on a ball over one son. Cold-blooded murderer should not kill the innocent soldier. When I hear me, cold-blooded murderer, who no tell me what to no require. Where we
we say? I say by the sweat of your brow you shall surely eat bread. None for them no one work for them and his bread. That's why them see the innocent blood and come shed. Mama alabal and everybody said, how can a man get money if he go take a head and then go sit down him to bear him and him children eat bread? Must be sick in nine mind, I'm a dinner him head. Murderer, tell me where uno require. When I hear me, cold-blooded murderer shouldn't kill the innocent soldier. Where we say, no crowd of people, this is real. Yes, it could be a deal. The man will perform the works, then him goodly get peeled. From who I don't know what the truth have to reveal. Everything signed and everything done seal. When we hold them, everybody ya go feel. No matter how them ball and no matter how them squeal, them can't stop righteousness from reveal. Cold-blooded murderer, tell me where uno require. When I hear me, cold-blooded murderer shouldn't kill the innocent soldier. When me say, I say, weeping and moaning, I say, everybody said, flames with them and them innocent blood them shed. No matter how them play and no matter how them beg, pull them up a cup of XYZ lead. One wear gold chain and one wear gold ring. One get up every day, pay muggling, and them never sweat for a dime nor a shilling. That's why them see the innocent man and shot him. The watch how the man did that easy and thing. Give thanks and praise to the Almighty King, and take care of all in family and thing. Roots and reality him keep preaching. You shouldn't see the innocent man, cold-blooded murderer. Tell me where uno require. Will you hear me? Cold-blooded murderer shouldn't kill the innocent soldier. When me say, I say,
please stop the fussing and the fighting. Said I'm talking to the water, to the heat. Oh yeah, still boring, stop killing each other. Hey, stop the fussing and the fighting. Why can't humanity be clean? Still pouring, stop killing each other. Listen, hey, take a firm meditation every day. I know the Almighty One will guide you all the way. Keep your heads up, high, my brothers and sisters, and I know the Lord will guide you along the way. I say, listen, stop the fussing and the fighting. That I'm talking to the one and to the east. For real, stop worrying, stop killing each other. Hey, I say, stop the fussing, stop the fighting. I'm talking to the one and to the east. Oh yeah, hey, stop worrying, stop killing each other. Oh, I know I am just a man. Hey, anything I have, so anyone else can. Oh, oh, but you gotta believe in what you're doing. Show love and joy, blessing will be a flowing. I say, stop the fussing and the fighting. Said I'm talking to the one and to the east. Oh yeah, still boring, stop killing each other. Oh yeah, stop the fussing and the fighting. And I'm talking to the one and to the east. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Hey, you Mr. Politician, but check us up when they touch election. Oh yeah, you same one coming short guns and bombs to the younger one. When the situation gets out of hand, I see you on my television. Say you know nothing about that division. Oh, yeah, still the fussing and the fighting. Talking to the one into the east. Oh yeah, I say, still pouring, still killing. Said I'm talking to the one into the west. Hey, hey.
Liberation is a must.
No matter what they say, no matter what they do, no matter what they say or do, the children is a good and good.
Of that I'm sure, Jah is my light forever.
Oh yeah, yeah.
He's my shield and buckler.
Whoa, whoa,
the trials we face, Lassie is our defender. Rasta knows them.
Even though the times get more dangerous, man, heart just full of a loss. Some living cantankerous. Stop on the king of kings first, cause in Rastafari I always put my trust. Ever living high, no matter what they say, no matter what they say, no matter what they do, no matter what they do, no matter what they say or do, the children do a good and good. Got clear, man. Gosh, no matter what they say, no matter what they do, no
a good and good too.
Tell the messenger,
Jah cast away the barriers and set the captives free.
tell them,
Break those chains of oppression and gave us victory. Now we are united,
tell them, yeah.
fighting for one cause, one love, one life, one destiny, abiding by Jah laws. So no matter what they say or
No
do,
matter what.
die a good and good too. Oh, good and good too.
Messenger firstborn,
Hey, 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 hey.
mighty combination.
Good and good too. Boy. Hey, 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 hey. No matter what they say,
No matter what they
no
say,
matter what they do,
no matter what they do
no
now.
matter what they say or do, the children do a good and good too.
Cut and go through,
No
yeah.
matter what they say, no matter what they do, no matter what they say or do, firstborn is a good and good too.
So make a choice for the children. Think twice, cause we wanna save them. Let's try for a better future, cause I know you have it in you.
Hearken to the words of your father, obey his commandments and laws. With clean hands and a pure heart, he will clear our path.
No matter what they say,
No matter what they say,
no matter what they do,
no matter what they do,
no matter what they say or do, the children just a good and good too.
cut clear, man.
No matter what they say, no matter what they do, no matter what they say or do, the children just a good and good too.
We just a cut and go
Good
through.
and good too.
We just a cut and go through.
Tell them this. Nobody tell me you go do a thing for me if you no mean it. From you give your word, my brother, you fi seal it. And no paper me sign for you know what me a deal with. You alone me a follow, come me know we ma the realest. When me sing my song, then me not keep no secret. Of the truth me a talk, and when you check it, you will see this. For got you in a life, you have to give eyes. All when you face surprises, whether you like or not like them. Everybody have a blessing, cause we are all your children. So you fi go feed, and nobody follow no demon. Realize the thing, them man don't be no dreamer. Be true to yourself and live clean, yeah. Send your praises to the Most High in everything you do. No mix up with them because them not true. Just send your praises to the Most High in everything you do. So when it rough, Jah still a carry you through. The devil's strong and bad advice is ever enough, so you fi overcome all of them. Stay tough, burn out all the wicked them and the mental handcuff. Time for heights up, yes, righteousness for boss. No more war and fuss, but who lost and who fuss. All we need is love in Jah alone. We trust all who bad mind get cuss and who no straight bite the dust. So call the pay, come tell you right now. Just send your praises to the Most High in everything you do. Me say no mix up with them because them not true. Just send your praises to the Most High in everything you do. So when you grow, Jah still a carry you through. Yes, when it rough, Jah still a carry you through. So nobody tell me you go do a thing for me if you no mean it. From you give your word, my brother, you fi seal it. And no paper me sign, for you know what me a deal with. Jah alone me a follow, cause me know we ma the realest. When me sing my song, then me not keep no secret. Of the truth me a talk, and when you check it, you will see this. For got through in a life, you have to give eyes. All when you face surprises, whether you like or not like them. Everybody have a blessing, cause we are all your children. So you fi go for it,
And about the fall on a demon. Realize the thing, them man, don't be no dreamer. Be true to yourself and live clean, yeah. Just send your praises to the Most High in everything you do. No mix up with them, no way, because them not true. Just send your praises to the Most High in everything you do.
Let it be known to the world, man, woman, boys and girls. Love is the only solution. Give yourself a fighting chance. Just to advance, unify and tell them no segregation. As long as I live, praises I'll give. I'm to the conquering lion. And when they get small or big, do positive. In this time only yourself you can be lion. Do good. Yes, I knew you would, yeah. Do good. Yes, I do what it should, yeah. Rasta said we do good. Yes, I knew you would, yeah. Do good. Yes, I do what it should, yeah. Love to see the children play each and every day. Selassie, shall never lead none of his children astray. Fire burn, fire blaze, burn out the hypocritical mockers and all dirty ways. Do good and good will follow. Emperor Selassie we praise, yeah. Unexpected turbulence, always making the pagan a mess. Because they try to keep me down, but I rise always. Black people do good. Yes, I knew you would, yeah. After said we do good. Yes, I knew you should, yeah. Do good. Yes, I knew you would, yeah. Do yes, goodness gracious, never be covetous nor malicious, yeah. Don't be boisterous nor vicious. Right, because black people ambitious. Love to see the children play each and every day. The Lord say I shall never leave none of his children astray, but what they do good. Yes, I. Well, teachers in all the one, but listen, a prosperity. I wouldn't eat that if I were you. Nothing no sweeter than my idols too. I wouldn't eat that if I were you. Natural liberty and then you must go through. I wouldn't eat that if I were you. Nothing no sweeter than my idols too. I wouldn't eat that if I were you. Yo, that's production, me tell you, say, run, go, run the big, run for your life. See the cannibal there, come with the knife. Run, go, run the big, run for your life. Them a say your flesh nice, and them will want a slice. Run, go, run the big, run for your life. See the cannibal there, come with the knife. Run, go, run the big, run for your life. Run for your, hey, me hear the cow and ball murder. I turbulence to make them take it no further. One bust my throat and put me down in a burger. All the pig them want turn in a frankfurter. Hear the goats about say Lord, them a worry me. All of them a hunt me down. Figure curry me. Inna them manish water them want story me. But that way fuck them down. If the bugger them never try to trouble me. Either me hear some man and yam you know. Them things they I want for too long you know. That's why me have to burn out all them gang you know. Cause them so start nyam human you know. Me a say run go run the big run for your life. See the cannibal there you come with the knife. Run go run the big run for your life. Them a say your flesh nice and them well want a slice. Run go run the big run for your life. See the cannibal there you come with the knife. Run go run big run for your life. Yeah. Tell you say, be a blood stain. When you're looking at them kitchen, no fan them the blood the feet a chat bout it finger licking. If I eat bullfrog a chat bout a spring chicken. Lord, them things the sickening. Hey, myself posting. Turbulence the future, him not in and the posting. Now go let go me hard and heal the father and plusting. Liver and the kidney, it is so disgusting. Especially the pork, it's such an unjust thing. When me check it out, a real bogus thing. I know Emmanuel now John Marcos thing. It could be seller said the first thing. I attract no trust that thing. I wouldn't eat that if I were you. Nothing no sweeter than my items you. No, if I were you, I wouldn't eat that if I were you. That's no sweeter than my items you. I wouldn't eat that if I were you.
Mama, 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 mama. 9 months she take to carry me well. She never frustrated, no day. Stood by my side, the pinky man I say. Although she faced stress, pain and strain, cause she was young and going to school. When mama get pregnant, everyone thought she was a fool. Yeah. Enough love to my mama. Fire burn you if you ever this mama now whosoever, yeah. Mama do play a special role, yeah. Bless and love and honor, well away. Enough love to my mama. A fire blazing if you ever this mama now whosoever, yeah. Mama do play a special role, yeah. Bless and love and honor. She never give up, all through the pressure. She never give up, she said God will make it better. She never give up, no, no. And she's my mama, 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 mama. She never give up, all through the struggle. Never give up, mama pants have to bubble. Never give up, no, no. She's my mama, 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 mama. Enough love to my mama. Fire burning if you ever this mama that whosoever, yeah, yeah. Mama don't play a special role, yeah. Bless and love and honor, mama. Enough love to my mama. Fire burning if you ever this mama that whosoever, yeah, yeah. Mama play a special role. Bless and love and honor, mama, mama, mama. Mama, 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 yes, I'm a big man now, mama. I'm gonna spread your joy around, oh, mama. There's no one like you, mama. Respect and honor, she never give up, and through the pressure, she never give up. She said that we make it better. She never give up, no, no. Yes, she's my mama, 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 mama. She never give up, and through the struggle. She never give up, mama pants have to bubble. She never give up, no, no. She's my mama, 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 mama. Mama, 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 mama. Enough love to my mama. Fire burn you if you ever this mama that whosoever, yeah, yeah. Mama do play a special role. So bless and love and honor, yeah, yeah, yeah.
Let's look away the voices that gave the people pride. Now we're plunging into darkness. We all have to play our part, make a bold start. Every disc track, tell every artist. Media houses we notice, tell them support the slackness. How so much alcohol in our parties. While the girls are broke out at this upper where she drink, knock her out. Now she no care with them proper up.
It's times like these I'm missing our heroes. Times like these I really wish they were around. It shouldn't have to be like this. Marcus Garvey, we know so you try your best, but we have figured out the rest.
They braid up the shot at them, now we have a lot of them. Press up, back up, now the grave them a go back at them. Them broke the national bird wing. Sell we out clean, me no think we own a damn thing. Jam rock why we giving in to the trick where them a trick we from the beginning. Parents in need to wake up from the slumber release with children. Blood them is running.
It's times like these I'm missing our hero. Times like these I really wish they were around. Shouldn't have to be like this. But Marley, we know you never die in vain. We gonna rise again. Hey,
make we use the fist, hold the bell beat, promise till it's well. Nobody now go hear if you know yellow. This is where them tell you about the bucket we go well. Black woman put on your baggy, that's something they know fi sell. And so we get fed was the society go well. Go ask them and who put the crab in a barrel. PM opposition do not done with the quarrel. Unite, come together, these the people out for chill.
It's times like these I'm missing our hero. Times like these I really wish they were around. Shouldn't have to be like this. Oh, Miss Lou, we need you. At the first me heard that this hundreds and counting upon the murder. This I do this.
Let's look away the voices that gave the people pride. Now we're plunging into darkness. We all have to play our part, make a bold start. Every diss track, tell every artist. Me now, since we know this, and I'm support the slackness. How so much alcohol in our parties. While the girls are broke out of this up over, she drink, knock her out. Now she no care when them crap her up.
It's times like these I'm missing